we are an ag business focused program. So whether you're into animal science or horticulture or any kind of niche product growing or marketing, we feel that Sage has a really good focus on that. You know, we offer 2-year programs and 4-year programs, which is a really nice opportunity for students that they can do all their 4 years at Potomac State College. We have students that are focused on things like maple syrup, lavender, mushroom growing, and then we have a lot of students that are doing conventional ag as well. So by the time you're a junior and senior, you could really be expecting to put in a lot more time outside on the farms, focused on what you want to pursue. You know, with our 800 acres and all of our resources and all the new things that we're doing and all the stuff we've been doing, we feel like we've gotten really good at it, and we feel like it's a great opportunity for anyone interested in ag to check us out and come join the program. The students that are involved in Sage right now, whether it's a 2-year or 4-year program, we actually have students right now that are interning at agencies and organizations like USDA, West Virginia Department of Ag, and even being sought after organizations like Farm Credit. We feel like our students get a really good background understanding about ag in general, the entire ag sector, and I think they're sought after because they understand. They understand, you know, after a product is, you know, created, shipped, sold, the end result. And I think it's a valuable skill set to have, even if you're going into a non-growing profession. So what we tell a lot of students is that there's, you know, tens of millions of ag jobs, ag sector related jobs in the country, and, you know, only a small percentage of them are actually producing the product. So whether it's distribution or marketing, branding, management, processing, packaging, there's a whole another realm of the ag sector that doesn't really involve the growing of the product. So, you know, we touch on all that, and we just feel like, you know, we're trying to capture it and give the experience to the students so they understand all that.